Hey there, pioneers! Here's how you can dash in Subnautica 2. You can now dash in this game to have a short speed boost or to evade any predators that might be after you. But you'll need to unlock it first. Before everything, craft and pack up a basic battery. Then, starting from your life pod, head 150 degrees to the southeast to find the Welcome Center. Go inside the ruins and you'll find this biolab. We need to power that up, and to do this, follow where its wire would lead towards a battery power outlet and insert your basic battery in there. When that's done, return to the biolab, interact with it, and under Active Biomods, select the icon with the blue arrow. That'll be the dash ability. When that's installed, you can now dash by pressing the left shift button on your keyboard. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.